If you eat 3 eggs every morning to protect your muscles after 60, I have to be honest with you, it may not be working. And it is not your fault. Your body changes the rules after 60. The same eggs that worked at 40 quietly stop being enough. There is a reason almost no one explains. And 3 everyday foods that answer it. Stay with me, because this is really about one thing: staying strong enough to live on your own terms. Let's be clear right away. Eggs are a good food. Nobody is throwing them out. But just eating eggs is incomplete advice after 60. And today, we fix it at the table. So here is our plan. Today, at the longevity table, we are building one plate, one food at a time. By the end, you will have 3 everyday foods that outperform eggs where it counts. The simple reason your muscles need them now, and an easy way to start tomorrow. And here is the angle nobody talks about. The real problem is not just how much protein you eat. It is that after 60, protein gets harder to absorb and harder to enjoy when your appetite shrinks. We are going to solve both. After 60, muscle quietly starts to fade. Doctors call it sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It is silent. It does not hurt. You only notice it later, a jar that will not open, a stare that feels steeper. Now here is the part that matters. This is not weakness. It is chemistry. As we age, muscles become a little deaf to protein. Scientists call it anabolic resistance. Your muscles need a louder signal to rebuild than they used to. So 18 grams from 3 eggs often is not a loud enough signal anymore. And there is a second problem stacked on top. Many older adults simply eat less because food stops tasting exciting. Less appetite means less protein, right when you need it more. 2 problems. We will fix both. Keep that appetite point in mind. The third food on our plate solves it completely. Let me explain this in under a minute. No medical degree needed. Protein is made of building blocks called amino acids. One of them is special: leucine. Think of leucine as the switch that turns muscle building on. Here is the key number. Many researchers suggest older adults need roughly 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine in one meal to flip that switch fully. Younger people need less. After 60, you need more. And there is a second number that matters all day. Experts on healthy aging often suggest older adults aim for about 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight every day, and ideally 25 to 30 grams at each meal to keep that switch flipping. For someone around 70 kilos, about 154 pounds, that is roughly 80 grams a day. 3 eggs get you to 18. You can see the gap. Our 3 foods are built to help close that gap without forcing you to eat more than feels comfortable. Quick one before we plate up. If your appetite is not what it used to be, tell me in the comments. You are far from alone. Now, food number 1. First onto our plate, lupini beans. Those golden beans in the deli jar you have walked past 100 times. 1 cup of cooked lupini gives around 26 grams of protein. That is more than 4 eggs' worth in one humble bowl. But protein per bite is the real win here. They are dense. A small, satisfying handful delivers serious protein even on a small appetite, exactly what we need after 60. And they bring fibre and a good spread of amino acids along for the ride. Here is what to do. Buy them already cooked and debittered. This matters because raw lupini must be properly prepared first. Rinse them, then eat a handful as a snack, or scatter them on a salad. One honest caution: lupini is related to peanuts. If you have ever reacted to peanuts or soy, introduce them slowly and check with your doctor if you are unsure. That is 26 grams on the plate. Watch it fill. Next on the plate, pumpkin seeds and especially pumpkin seed protein powder. A single 30-gram scoop delivers around 15 to 18 grams of protein, and it is one of the better plant sources of leucine, so it helps flip that muscle switch. Here is the bonus most people miss. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals that quietly support muscle function, sleep, and recovery. So you are not just feeding the muscle, you are helping it work. What to do? Stir 1 scoop into oatmeal, warm milk, or a smoothie. Or snack on a small handful of whole seeds. About an ounce gives you 9 grams. It keeps in the cupboard for months, and it is gentle when your appetite is small. Our plate is filling fast, but the third food is the one that changes everything, and most people throw it straight in the bin. Before the third food, and this is the one that surprises everyone, let me tell you why it is the most important of the 3. It is a complete protein. The fortified kind adds vitamin B12, a nutrient many seniors run low on. And it fixes the single biggest reason older adults fall short on protein, the appetite problem we talked about earlier. Most people throw it away without ever knowing what it is. Quick favor, if this is helping, comment the words Day 1 below. It tells me you are starting today, and I read every comment. Here it is, nutritional yeast, those golden flakes that look unfamiliar and are a quiet miracle after 60. 2 tablespoons give about 8 grams of complete protein, all the building blocks in one place, and the fortified kind adds vitamin B12, so look for the word fortified on the label. Best of all, it tastes warm, savory, almost cheesy. And this is the part that matters most. Remember the appetite problem? This is the fix. You sprinkle it on, and suddenly soup, eggs, popcorn, and vegetables taste richer. You eat a little more, and the protein comes with it, without effort. What to do? Keep a jar by the stove and sprinkle a spoonful over whatever you are already eating. That is the whole trick. And there is our plate, complete. 3 foods working together. So how do you use this? Here is one easy day, and I will be straight with you. These foods do not replace all your protein. They add to your meals to help close that daily gap. One honest caution before we plate up a bigger day. If you have any kidney problems, more protein is not automatically better for you, so please check with your doctor first. For breakfast, have your usual eggs or oats, and now stir in a scoop of pumpkin seed protein. That is around 15 grams. Early, for lunch, build a salad and add a handful of lupini. That is another 12 to 26 grams. For dinner, have your normal meal and sprinkle nutritional yeast over the vegetables or soup. That is another 8 grams, plus the flavor that helps you finish your plate. Stacked on top of what you already eat, this is how an ordinary day climbs toward that 80-gram goal, spread across meals, so your muscle switch keeps flipping all day long. That is the whole secret. Spread it out. Make it easy to eat. Let flavor do the heavy lifting. Let's tie it together. Remember the muscle switch? Leucine? Pumpkin seeds and lupini help flip it. Remember the appetite problem? Nutritional yeast solves it. And remember, I said this is not your fault. It is not. It is chemistry, and chemistry relates to food. You do not need expensive powders or a gym. You need 3 quiet foods, eaten consistently, in bites you actually enjoy. Small steps every day. That is how strength comes back. One important note. This video is for education only. It is not medical advice. If you have kidney disease, a food allergy, or you take regular medication, talk to your doctor before changing your protein intake. Your doctor knows your body best. Here is my challenge. For the next 30 days, add just one of these 3 foods to 1 meal a day. Start with whichever is easiest. Just one. Just today. Notice the small wins. The stairs a little easier, the groceries a little lighter. If you are starting today, comment Day 1 so we can cheer you on. And if you want simple science-backed senior health tips every week, subscribe and tap the bell. Pull up a chair. There is always a place for you here at the longevity table. I will see you in the next one. Stay strong.